Ever wanted to share your Claude Code workflows with your team, or even the world? Today we're building a plugin from scratch. By the end, you'll know how to package skills, hooks, and MCP servers into one shareable plugin. So what are plugins exactly? Think of them as bundles of Claude Code superpowers. A standalone skill lives in your .claude directory. A plugin packages multiple skills, hooks, and configs together, namespaced and shareable. Plugins versus standalone. Standalone is quick and personal. Plugins are portable and team-ready. Every plugin starts with a structure. The .claude-plugin folder holds your plugin.json manifest. That's the name, version, description, and what's inside. Then you have a skills folder for your skill files, an agents folder for subagents, and a hooks folder for automation scripts. Clean and simple. Let's create a skill. A skill is just a skill.md file with front matter, name, description, trigger patterns. Inside, you write the instructions Claude follows. Use $ arguments to capture what the user types. Test it locally with --plugin-dir pointing to your plugin folder. Watch, it just works. Now let's add hooks and MCP configuration. Hooks.json defines scripts that run on events, like linting after a file save. .mcp.json registers MCP servers the plugin needs. .lsp.json for language servers. And settings.json for default configuration. All bundled together, all portable. Time to share your creation. You can publish to the official marketplace, share in a team marketplace, or just point people to your Git repo. Submit with /plugin submit, or let teammates install with /plugin install. Your workflow, now available to everyone.